we are going to create a new project. Let's say Selenium test project. So now we are actually creating project without Maven. Let's see what happens if we are not using the Maven, and then we can understand what are the challenges we face. Then you guys able to understand why we are using Maven. Okay, Selenium test project. After that, you guys can choose any location where you want to store your project, Java, and instead of Maven in the build system, you guys select IntelliJ and then JDK version, whatever the version you have. Okay, create it. So before we create any program, first let's understand what do we mean by library actually. So if I write this, like string str is equal to I am learning Java. So we know that string is a class actually. Okay. Now where this string class coming from? Okay, so as I've told you, this is a predefined class which JDK gives us. Okay, and we already set JDK part to the computer. Okay, so whenever you create your project, right, in the project, if you see external libraries are there. Okay, so here if you see, these are the libraries which we are using for our project. We have to tell in our project that we are using this JDK actually. Otherwise, how your project will know that which library you are using actually. Okay, so here if you see, if we go and hover over string, this is the implementation given by the Java developers actually. Okay, where does it belongs to? It belongs to java.lang package. Okay, now if I go to this module java.base, java.lang, and then here if you see that string will be there here, if you guys able to see that. So what I mean is that in order to use existing library, right, you have to import that particular library into your project. Otherwise you're not gonna able to use the string class or whatever with the predefined class available in the JDK, right? Similarly, in order to use the Selenium, we have to import the Selenium jar into our project. These are nothing but the jar files. Okay, jar means Java archive. Okay, jar means Java archive. Java archive. It is nothing but a collection of your classes, predefined classes. Okay, it's a compressed version. Like we have zip, right? We once we unzip it, it got expanded. Similarly, when we have the bytecode, which means already compiled and tested codes. Okay, these are the code which is already compiled. So what the Java creators did, they compiled into .jar file. Now in order to use that, we simply import that jar in our project, and we are able to use all these classes in our project. And then similarly we are going to download the Selenium jar. As of now we don't have, we have installed JDK. That is the reason we are able to access the string class. Now how to import Selenium, this will be question. So how to download it? So in order to download it, we again go to Google Selenium download, and this is the official website of Selenium. First one will appear, downloads. Okay, and then here you see Selenium is developed in different languages: C Sharp, Ruby, Python, JavaScript, Java. Since we are developing our test script in Java, we are going to download. Here if you see that stable is written, right? Since it is a stable version, we are going to download this version 4.10.0. Click on it, and then your Selenium jar will get downloaded. Okay. Now let's go to the download part. I already have downloaded, I think. Okay, so you can copy it and paste it in your any place you can paste it, but better I'll suggest you maintain a library. Okay, so where you can maintain it, user and then your computer name. After that, you can create a folder named as libraries. Okay, libs you can create, and then inside that library folder you paste it and then unzip it. It will take some time to extract. Okay, so we have, so it is unzipped now. So you can remove the zip file. It is still working. Okay, fine. I was deleting the zip file actually. So no issue, you can keep it there. I think that no, Java. Okay, I think it is downloaded. Few of the portion not. Those who are taking online, they can also try by their end actually. So it will be easy for them. Yesterday you took online class. Okay, fine. So it is down. So it is unzipped. Now I have to import into my project. How can I do that? So in order to do that, you click into your project and then open module settings. In module settings, you will see dependencies. Okay. So in under the dependency tab, you will see a plus button. Click on it and you will see jars. So we have downloaded the jars. Click on it. Navigate to your library folder, which we have created, where we have unzipped, right? And go to your libs folder and select all the jar you can able to see here. So under the libs folder, you will see different jars are there, which is provided by Selenium. Okay, and then it will be part of your project. Now again click plus jar libs and the remaining jars outside the libs folder. Okay, so you select all those jars, click OK, and then apply OK. So once you do that, right, you will able to see library imported to your project. Earlier we were not able to see all those, right? External libraries we were able to see only JDK. Now if you see JDK is in the below, right? Here is the JDK. These are the library. What we did, we go to the Selenium official web page and then downloaded the stable version and imported in our project.